addition facts. So as you know, it's important to be able to, all right, it's important to learn your addition facts so that you can, what? Add numbers, right? Good, okay. So when you have your smaller numbers, those are easier to remember.
Yeah.
Someone tell me what 9 plus 8 is.
17.
Good job. So when we get into higher numbers, it gets a little bit harder. And the reason you have to know how to add those is because what if we needed to find out how many kids were in the whole school? It'd be hard to understand because you'd have to keep counting and counting and counting. You wouldn't be able to do it like 9 plus 8, right? There's 800. Okay. So today that's what we're going to be doing, okay? We're going to be learning we're going to be adding 3-digit numbers. So that's our goal today, okay? To add 3-digit numbers. All right, so first, let's practice writing 3-digit numbers. So get out your whiteboards and get your markers. And the first thing I want you to do is write the number 965. Don't smell the markers. Write the number 965. Write it big.
Big?
Yeah, real big.
There.
Can you write it bigger? Okay. It's all right. Keep writing.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Now first, we're gonna review our place values. So in that number, in the number 965, I'm gonna write it too. I want you to underline the ones place. Good. So we all underline the 5, right? All right, now I want you to underline or do a squiggly underline under the hundreds place. Good. So we all did our squiggly under the hundreds. And then finally, in the tens place, what number is that?
6.
Good. Good. So we remember our place value. So that's important when we go to start adding 3-digit numbers. Careful. All right. So, okay, don't blow anywhere. Go ahead and erase those numbers. You have an eraser on your pen. Okay. And now we're going to practice just adding some of our simple numbers. So write this problem down. 6 plus 5.
6. 5. Oh yeah, 6.
And then write what it equals. Good. 11. Good. No, that's good. No.
Okay.
11, right? And then one below that, do 9 plus 7.
Okay. 9. 9 plus 7 equals 16.
Good. So that's our next one is 16. Okay. You got it too, Cole? All right. So our last one that we're going to practice, it's going to be a little bit bigger, harder one. Right. 38 plus 56. So 38 plus 56. Go ahead and solve it. you want to use these, you can.
Okay.
Your base 10. Good.
Cool. I'll tell you. Just kidding. 49.
Good job. All right.
It's been 6 minutes.
So, all right. So now we're gonna move into our 3-digit addition numbers. Yeah. Go ahead and erase your boards. Okay, so for when we do these ones, we're gonna be using our base 10 blocks, okay? So put your markers away real fast. We will be using both of them, but right now, put your markers away and just watch me, okay? All right, so for the first problem we're gonna do 324 plus 324 plus 442. Okay. So when we're doing this problem, we're going to use our base 10 blocks, but they're paper today, to help us solve this problem. So if we wanted to make 324, how many hundreds would we need?
3.
Good.
And 4.
And how many tens would we need?
2.
To make 20, right? And then how many
4.
ones? Good. So I have 324. All right. Now for my second number,
4.
how many numbers?
4.
Or how many hundreds?
4. 4.
How many tens?
4. 4. 4. And 2.
How many ones?
2.
Good. So now, since I'm adding everything together, now how many ones do I have? I have 1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6. Okay. So my ones place, I'm going to have 6. How many tens am I going to have?
6.
6. Good.
And 7.
And then how many
7.
hundreds?
7.
2, 3, 4,
5.
5, 6, 7. Good. So that's a simple one, huh?
Really simple.
All right, we're going to do one more harder one together, and then I'm going to give you your own that you guys are going to do together, okay? So, one last one together, and you guys got to help me get the correct number. So let me start over with my handy dandy whiteboard. You don't need yours yet. Don't write this down yet. All right, so we're going to do 426 plus 547. So in my ones, how many hundreds for my first one?
9. I'm 4.
Good. Oh, sorry, Cole.
Okay.
How many for my tens?
2.
How many for my
6.
ones?
6.
Okay.
Are we almost?
Almost done. You're doing great. All right, for my second number, how many hundreds?
500. 5.
How many
4.
fours?
4.
How many tens?
7. 4.
And how many ones?
7.
All right. Good. So now we're to add these together. In my ones, how many do I have? In my ones place. So let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So can we turn this in? Can we trade 10 of these in for
Yes.
a 10 block?
Mm-hmm.
So let's do that. So we'll leave 3 out and trade 10 of ours in for a 10 block, and it'll go with the 10s. Okay? Which also means when you're writing this down, remember we practiced those hash marks. So you have to, when you're turning it into a 10,
I mean, this is easy.
I know. Well, you gotta help me finish.
I knew that.
So then we add it to that one, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so then how many 10s do we have now?
7.
Good. You see
Cool.
that, Cole?
Well, this is hard. That's
Okay.
hard
Okay.
for you, Cole.
And then for our hundreds,
Mine.
good.
Yeah, in your butt.
Right.
You know what?
No,
I was kidding.
Sit down.
No, I think we should
Sit
redo
down.
that.
Sit down. It's all right.
Excuse me. Really know?
No, here, give me that.
Really know what that thing is about?
It's all right. It's all right. All right, we're almost done. We have one more last thing to do, okay?
Finally.
Okay, so now together, you guys are gonna do what I just did, okay?
Sure. Who's that?
You're gonna work together.
What is it all about?
So, Cole, come over right here.
I know I can come over here right here.
No, cause, no, go sit right there. Pull that chair right there.
This isn't a chair.
Oh yeah, that works. Careful that. Don't fall down. All right.
Where's the marker? Oh,
Here, All right, but you guys have to use your base 10 blocks, okay? Even if you can do it in your head, I gotta see you using your base 10 blocks, okay? So write down this problem. 324. Noah, write it down. 324. Oops, that's the wrong one. Erase. Erase. All right, the first number is 476 plus 426. Okay, so using your base 10 box, put your top or your first number in these 3 squares. Stop spelling it. And your second number in these 3 squares.
yes.
Close your pens real fast. Use your base 10 blocks to make those 2 problems. Your first number in these 3, and then your second number in these 3. Go ahead. Okay, do your hundreds. So put 476 right here. Use these. Make 476.
Where? On here?
No, with these. Remember like I was doing. So pull out 400. Good. Put it in your top one.
Okay.
So put in your top one. Good. And then 70 in this one. So you need your. They're kind of hard to pick up, huh? Put them right here. Put them in your tens place.
Okay. Yeah. Oh,
checking.
Okay, there. And ones. How many? 6.
You got 70 in there?
Yeah.
All right, and then 6 of the little ones.
5, 6.
Sorry, Cole.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. What's another 426?
Okay.
6.
Okay, and then your second number, you're gonna not have enough hundreds, huh?
We can split them
Okay,
up.
let's do them together. So let's finish on Noah's. Okay, so now we need to make 400. Add your 2 to make 400. Right here, we put our bottom number. So this is our top number and this is our bottom number. Good. On your 20, and how many? No, what's your? Is that 20?
That's 30.
Good. And then what? What's our last? 6.
6. 2. I already did it. No, I already did it.
Good. Nope, that was. Oh, let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good.
Okay.
All right. So now, together, I want you guys to add them. So start with your ones. So how many ones do you have?
1,
Altogether.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, so we got to trade one of those in, right?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Okay, so take 10 out and add a 10, right? Because you have 12 altogether.
So take this.
So take 10 of them out. Almost done. Doing good.
And then
Add it to there.
right here.
Either one. Because you're going to be adding them together. But then remember when you do that on your problem,
And then these 2 go right here.
remember when you do that on your problem, what do you have to do? So you rewrite your problem on top.
Okay.
So what do you have in your ones place now?
12.
But
Wow.
just the 2. Good. And then what happens? We put that 1 at the top, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then how many do we have in our 10s?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6?
Oh yeah, all together?
Wait,
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
One more.
Yeah, we should have one more. Good.
No, I just put 1.
No.
We must have been missing one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait.
There should have been 7 in this one already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Noah's right.
1, 2, wait. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7.
And now 2. Count them again.
2. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then
There you go.
7,
And then keep counting. 8, 9.
9, 10.
Okay, so what does that mean? If we have 10 10s, can we trade those in?
Yes.
For what?
Hundreds.
Yep, so take out those 10s. And what goes in our 10s place?
Zero.
Good.
And then
And then what's left?
2, 3, 4. Wait, so 4,
9.
5,
Yep,
6, 7, 8, 9.
good job. So what's our answer?
902.
902. Good job. So does that make sense? Thumbs up if it makes sense using the base 10 block.
Yeah.
Good. All right, now I'll give you your independent worksheets that you will work on for the rest of the time. And, and then tomorrow we're going to add all the numbers of all the kids in the entire school and see how many kids there are in the school. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right.
Game over. Now it's over.